This is 1830 Hoover Avenue in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. This is the entryway that leads into the house. There's a closet right here. And this is the living room. See that there's hardwood floors in this room as well. This is the living room again. And this is the kitchen. You can see that there's a nice bright window here. This is the dining room. Some nice hardwood floors in this room. And this is the backyard. This is the bedroom that's located on the first floor. There's hardwood floors in this room, as well as a ceiling fan. This is the master bedroom. There's 2 closets in this room, so plenty of storage for everything. This is the office upstairs. You can see the hardwood floors in this room.